I'm going to show you how you can access free audiobooks and ebooks on your mobile device or tablet. I listen to a lot of audiobooks and read ebooks on the Kindle subscription service, and there's Audible for audiobooks as well. So I absolutely love these platforms, but the costs can add up, and then you're limited on Audible, at least, on how many titles you can have. I have the annual subscription that gives me access to X number, I think it's 35 or 40 titles or something like that. I'm gonna have to double check. Might just flash it up on the screen with the correct number. But after that, still want to access other services, and maybe I don't want to pay for it. Maybe I can't afford it. So there's this app that I discovered called BorrowBox about 2 years ago. It was advertised in my local library, and the way it works is it's like a digital library, essentially. So all you need is your library card number, and then you just tap that into the app. You search for your local library. Let's dive into the app so I can give you a live demo. So let's load up the app, and you'll be presented with this login screen. So what you need to do is select your library. And by the way, guys, this is available in the US as well. So I did a little Google before I started this video. So it is available in select places in the US. I'm not too sure about the coverage, but in the UK, the coverage is pretty good. It's pretty much all across the UK. So I've selected Newcastle Libraries. So the barcode number, and then my password, and then just disagree to the terms and conditions, and then there we go. So this is my loans area, and if you look at the bottom, it's got the different options, and it takes you to the various areas of the app, and then your loan history. So if you click on eBooks, this will bring up the full catalog sorted by different categories, new releases, and then go to audiobooks, and it's just the same. It's got different titles that you can look at. So Joe Wicks. Let's check out Joe Wicks. So this is the audiobook. I wonder, sometimes it has both titles. So as in an ebook or an audiobook. So let's look up Joe Wicks. So you can see here it's on loan. So what happens is, just like a real library, some titles would be um, on loan, somebody else has got it, but what you can do is reserve it. So the Fat Loss Plan, actually I quite fancy this one, yeah. So I'll reserve that one, and then once it comes available on the 30th, it'll be yours. So you can see the date is updated. You're next in line. So there's a lot of, you can see there's loads here. This one, Feel Good in 15, that's available straight away. I'm gonna go into my previous loans. So this one is pretty cool. So this is available straight away, so you can borrow it. So let's have a little test. So we can read now, and that's it. So it's just downloading, and then it will remember the last place that you finished reading. And similar to the Kindle app, you can change the size of the font, change the color, paper, things like that. So it's pretty cool. And if we go test out an ebook, just go back into my loans again, my previous ones. So Tim Ferriss, let's borrow the 4-Hour Work Week. Listen now. Awesome. And then here you can change the speed as well.
And defined dreams to chase, timelines and steps included. What are you working for? D.
Awesome. So that is the BorrowBox app. Fantastic app. Get all your loads of different ebooks for free. And I'll just show you actually one more. So one of the latest titles I read. Well, this is going back a bit. Well, at the time when I first got it, this book was released. So Becoming by Michelle Obama, which is a brand new title. And then there was Barack Obama's one as well. So do explore. It's not just all random different books out there. So it's a great way to save money, and you might actually just be satisfied with using this platform and then save hundreds of pounds potentially from the other platforms. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hopefully this can help you with your reading for 2024. It's about around the time where I really up my consumption of audiobooks and reading ebooks and physical books, as it's a bit quieter during the holiday season. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.